Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of health. Friends, my today's video contains 50 plus creative and unique ideas of boatneck hand embroidery designs for your dresses, for your kurti, for your kameez, for your shirt, for your gown, for your jalebia or any type of sari blouse, any type of lehenga blouse or any type of shirt or top that you used to wear, along with the perfect matching of your bottoms as well. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request that please do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Guys, now let's move back towards our main content and main concern, that is how you can design these patterns. The answer to this trendy and tricky question is very easy. Whatever embroidery thread you want to use, like you can use silk as an embroidery thread, you can use wool, you can use anchor, DMC, even you can use sewing thread to embroider these patterns. All of the design ideas of hand embroidered kurti look ravishing, extremely eye-catchy, most demanding, trendy, and at the same time they are easy to make. You can look highly attractive in any type of gathering by using these hand embroidered kurtis, and you can use the exact color combination to make these patterns. And the beauty of these designs is that they are beginner friendly. That is, beginner friendly means that only 1 to 2 hand embroidery stitches are required to make the whole embroidery pattern. Various simple and basic and easy embroidery stitches are being used, so it is up to your choices and up to your ease and up to your interest of embroidery stitches. You can design the whole entire pattern of the neckline embroidery. I hope that the design ideas are being helpful for you. This video is attractive and useful for you, and stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. We try our best to share most trendy, highly eye-catchy content, and let us know in the comment section that what you want us to share with you in our new upcoming videos. All these patterns are also trendily inspired by funky and 3D embroidery patterns of hand embroidery. Even you can also use these patterns of hand embroidery for machine embroidery as well. So thank you so much for watching.